So I've started to notice a pattern over the last few months on YouTube, and I think it's going to actually be a massive opportunity. Private communities are popping up literally everywhere, but it's not just education channels as you may expect. I've actually seen them on dating and reaction channels where they create a safe space for their audience to engage with each other. I've also watched as influencers are starting to turn away from platforms like Patreon to create communities that they have full control over and they can monetize in any way they see fit, keeping 100% of the profits. I know Patreon is free, but I've always thought it's absolutely crazy giving away potentially upwards of 20% of the money that you earn in fees. I've also seen education and expert channels using free communities to warm and nurture potential clients, sometimes having two groups, one that's free and another one that's paid, that they gradually ascend people to over time. And I've also seen fitness channels creating gym-like communities for support, motivation, and accountability. So basically, wherever I look, more and more of these groups are appearing, and they're absolutely thriving. Almost like people have been craving more connection, which, given everything that's happened in recent years, from COVID, wars, divisive politics, and the rise in social media censorship on platforms, it actually makes total sense when you think about it. It's also the natural evolution of online courses. People want somewhere that they can ask questions and network with other learners who are working towards a common goal. Obviously, Facebook groups used to serve this purpose, though it has gradually become more and more restrictive, and courses were always hosted on different platforms, so it was a bit of a messy setup, and it's just got worse over time. But why now? Why all of a sudden have we seen an explosion in online communities? Well, from what I've noticed, they all seem to have one thing in common, and that's that they're using Skool above others, which is a platform that's actually been around for 5 years. But I believe what we are seeing is a combination of great timing and the need in the market, added to the fact that Alex Hormozi has now joined forces with founder Sam Ovens, and you have the perfect storm. So you now have two of the world's biggest online marketers pushing the platform forward with an army of affiliates and business owners, which has led to absolutely massive growth in the last few months. And I think it's only going to get bigger and bigger as the movement gains traction. You see, Skool is not the only online community platform. We've had these for years and growth has always been relatively slow. The difference is that Skool is a replacement for Facebook groups. It feels a lot like an older Facebook groups platform, but one designed for businesses that you have complete control over. You can reach all of your members at any time and sell them anything you like, from coaching calls, events, courses, downloads, subscriptions, you name it, you can do it. And no jumping through Facebook's ever-growing number of hoops. Every 10 years or so, there are normally 1 to 2 big shifts in the market. And about 8 to 10 years ago, it was marketing funnels, with tools like ClickFunnels that allowed you to automate the sales processes in your business. Now, this may all sound very boring and techie to you, but it made a lot of people very rich. And I'm not talking about big businesses, I'm talking about people like you and me. It brought sales processes to the masses. Alongside these sales funnels, people were using Facebook groups and online course platforms to deliver digital products and services. This helped create one of the biggest growth industries of our time that is currently estimated to be around $185 billion this year, and is projected to grow to $279 billion by 2029. That's a nearly 10% market increase year on year. Skool has combined the best of all of these elements into a single platform. You have your community, your marketing, support, product delivery, sales, and even events. It's everything that you need to make money online in one place as a beginner. So why am I telling you this? It's because I believe that Skool and YouTube are the perfect match. And if you look inside the platform, you can see that the biggest and most profitable communities inside of Skool were created by YouTubers. Other communities rely on people finding them through ads, Facebook groups, email lists, or directly through the Skool platform itself. But YouTubers are already building audiences and reaching millions of people who actively want a space to get more from the creators. A community for your subscribers and viewers is a natural next step. One that I would say works for 99.9% of all channels. Show me a channel and I'll show you a way a community can be used to monetize it. It's the perfect way to add more value and build a group of raving fans. And if you already have a Skool community, then YouTube is the best way to reach your targeted audience. You can build trust and easily get them to join. It's the perfect combination. And honestly, I'll be very surprised that if in the coming years, YouTube doesn't create something similar. A single video has the potential to bring in hundreds of new members, which is much easier than DMing people each day, hoping that they don't block or report you for spamming. So if you would like to discover how to grow your community with YouTube, or how to monetize your channel with communities, then I suggest that you join our Channel Profits community. I'll put links in the video description just below. And as always, if you have any questions, just ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.